Hello everyone, this is the second serial request of my second V1.8 printer. This one is the original motivation for me to create this mod back when the V2.0 was released. I bought this kit here that used to be a Foldertech FT5 primarily because I wanted to eventually do a Core XY upgrade. And once the Voron 2.1 came out, this was essentially a platform that I started working on with putting the V2.1 gantry on what used to be the FT5 Z assembly. Now, as you can see, I've essentially replaced the Z assembly with some pieces that are kind of similar to the V1.6 bed assembly. However, it is still using the same, two lead screws driven by a single stepper motor that the FT5 had. Pretty much everything on here has been replaced. The linear rods are 12 millimeters, and right now I'm using a Dragon High Flow with 0.6 millimeter nozzles to print these face shields that I'm distributing. It's definitely larger than the official spec is for V1.8. There's a few issues around bed size this big with just two lead screws. As you get further away from the lead screw point in the front and back of the build plate, it can get a bit tricky. That's about it for now. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out on Discord, or you can leave a comment below. Thank you.